The event manager shows the Velocity operator different events for the entire system, from access granted to access denied, to programming changes, downloads, and more. It's a great tool for the operator to be able to keep track of what is happening on any given system. The event manager displays all events by default, as you can see here. To filter these events, simply right-click on the event viewer pane, hover over Filter Events by Type, and then select the specific type of events that the operator would like to filter for. So select Software, and now the operator can only see the events that have occurred because of the Velocity software. To remove this filter, simply right-click again, hover over Filter Events by Type, and reselect All. To create a custom filter, simply right-click again, select Custom Filter, and now set the criteria. So we'll need to select New. The filter type can be set to limit, so it would only show the criteria that has been enabled here underneath, as we'll go through that process, or exclude, so it will not show the criteria that is selected here. And now to enable this criteria, select the port, select the Xbox, select the controllers, then select the event type, then select Add. If the operator would only like to see those specific events, go ahead and select OK. But if the operator would like to see more, they can also go through and change the event, change the controller, change the Xbox, change the port to see any specific event that they would like within that filter description, and they can see a group of those events there. Once that's complete, hit Save, specify a name, and hit OK. Then once that filter has ran, it will then show those events. And if the operator would like to remove that filter, simply go back, go to None, hit OK, and those events will repopulate. To enable photo call-up on an access granted, open Digitrack configuration, XNet, then the port, Xbox, and the controller. Once doors are open the door properties by right-clicking and select Properties, and then choose the photo call-up template. So there's a specific template for a credential that has been chosen. Select that. So we'll go with the default display credential, select the delay, and say OK. Now within that same door, right-click again, and select Auto Display Credentials. So now, when this credential gains access, the photo will be called up and shown to the operator. The operator will then have to close that window to be able to resume operation. To disable Auto Display Credentials, simply right-click, select Auto Display Credentials, and it will then be disabled.